Hello students, today our topic is derivatives of functions in parametric form. Parametric functions, if x equal to f of t and y equal to g of t, such functions are called parametric functions, and third variable t is called the parameter. To find derivative of a function in parametric form, first we find dy by dt and then dx by dt, and then dy by dx equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt, provided dx upon dt not equal to 0. Let I discuss some questions to make it more clear. X equal to 4t and y equal to 4 upon t. Find dy by dx. It is clear here, it is parametric function. So differentiating both equations with respect to t. First we find dx by dt. Dx by dt equal to 4 and dy by dt equal to minus 4 upon t square. Now dy upon dx equal to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt, and this equal to minus 4 upon t square upon 4 equal to minus 1 upon t square. Now question number 2, x equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta and y equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Find dy by dx. Here third variable means parameter is theta. So we will find dx upon d theta and dy by d theta, differentiating both equations with respect to theta. Dx upon d theta equal to a into minus sin theta plus, applying UV rule now, theta into cos theta plus 1 into sin theta, and dx upon d theta is a theta cos theta. Now dy by d theta, a into cos theta minus theta into minus sin theta and plus cos theta. Dy by d theta equal to a theta sin theta. Again dy upon dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx upon d theta, and we get here dy by dx equal to tangent theta. Now derivative of a function with respect to another function means to differentiate a function fx with respect to another function gx. Let us suppose that a equal to f of x and b equal to g of x. Here we have to differentiate a with respect to b. So dA upon db equal to dA upon dx into dx upon db, or dA upon db equal to dA upon dx divided by db upon dx. For example, differentiate sin square x with respect to e raised to power cos x. So let u equal to sin square x and v equal to e raised to power cos x. Now we have to find out du upon dv. So differentiating both equations with respect to x, we will find du by dx and dv by dx. Du by dx equal to 2 sin x cos x and dv by dx equal to e raised to power cos x into minus sin x. Now du upon dv equal to du upon dx upon dv upon dx, and this equal to 2 sin x cos x divided by minus sin x e raised to power cos x, and this equal to 2 cos x upon e raised to power cos x. Question number 4. Differentiate tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square with respect to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So let a equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, and b equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. During differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions, we need substitution many times. So we put here x equal to tangent t, and then t equal to tan inverse x. Now a equal to tan inverse 2 tangent t upon 1 minus tan square t, and this equal to tan inverse tangent 2t. So a equal to 2t, and dA upon dt equal to 2. For second equation, again put x equal to tan t. So we will put b equal to sine inverse 2 tangent t upon 1 plus tan square t, and this becomes sine inverse sine 2t, b equal to 2t. Again dB upon dt equal to 2, and we have to find out dA upon dB. So dA upon dB equal to dA upon dt upon dB upon dt, and this equal to 2 upon 2 equal to 1. So I hope you understand all this, and your home assignment is exercise 5.6. Thank you.